Ki don ikam byllai hapo kita terikam jong Sorkar Meghalaya hapo ka College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai. Yang japat kawe hadin kawe ipat kami ini don hapo South Liki post ANM nang ta Divisional Soil and Water Conservation ki post byllai nang ta PM Poshan Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission nang ta hapo Disability Health Policy. Kan ini hapo South Liki NM hapo District Health Society East Khasi Hills Shillong. Application with eligible and listed candidates South Liki post NM khat khanda hajar jingsi man banai ta pas NM register barka Meghalaya Nursing Council ki place of posting madan size seat sub center Java Nongdeng sub center Lansing sub center Dong Jrong sub center nang tapi hap apply ha kato ke Google form link ke bakan aida. The eligible candidates can submit the application in advance on or before 4 p.m. Tarik hadu kadai pesan tarik ha ka por sau baje jan mit pihak pendapna ya kana online application nang bah Google form. Nang ta kin khamjit ya ki candidate badai napo ki try senang jong kita pi baran ki sub center. Nang ta they should apply only once using the Google form and upload the supporting scan documents in a single PDF file. Matang kawai ka file. Jongki kod kisla baran kam. Atau when uploading, select PDF from your local device. Jom batai kita baran kam. Tenang tanam dan kecing bak kiap upload hi nalde taban-taban lagi ka interview. Tenang ta kadang sakane kam balai hapo Office of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Shillong Territorial Division ki kam balai kedai gawe ni ka post Assistant Manager khat prahado lai penyos nam buai ka post Bachelor Degree in Civil Engineering kata gidan the desired experience and the essential skills. Preference shall be given to candidates with 2 years experience in identifying of sites, designing, planning and preparation of plan and estimates of engineering structures and related matters as per current or prevailing SOR. Experience in measurement block entry and checking. Kacing sih kadai mana pun kadai arpunya jasan spa nam tang post assistant manager technical post field engineer kat product punya usnam artliki post diploma in civil engineering. Kita gidan di desired experience, essential skills, requirement. Nah, takajing siu mana benar kadai arpulai hajar. Dan ada nasi ka post program associate finance and accounts kat prada lai punya usna boy ka post graduate or postgraduate in commerce accountancy or BBA or MBA in financial management accounting and finance. 2 years experience accounts taxation and financial management with good knowledge in chart of accounts accounting procedure enterprise accountancy jing still apply hajar maupun tarik phado kadai arpu pratarik kadai ka work interview. The work interview will be held on 28 for assistant manager technical, the field engineer hang arpu nai tarik nang the program associate lai phau tarik. Bangkok kislah apa P1 interview the registration kadai nadu khnai baje kan khang hap sport sipa baje tanang ta kadon sini ka post course Laitkam po PM Poshan Meghalaya Shillong na tagi post kidai kena haram coordinator finance and accounts ko ka post nang ta research ana yaram ta ka coordination finance account kena MCom BCom kita kajing siu dai lai posan hajar with diploma in computer application. Preference will be given to candidates having at least 3 years experience in accounting and finance work and well-versed in MSFS. Por kadai research and evaluation consultant kuai ka post in economics and statistics in MBA or MBA with diploma in computer application. Preference given to the candidates having at least 3 years in research and evaluation work. Nang ta katarik khaddo kadai lai phau tarik mantau banai Panpoi ki application Shak Office Jong Director Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman PM Poshan Canal Word Road Laitkam Shillong New Khandai Line on Line Tanang tang ini apa sa kanai ka kam ka balai hapo Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Meghalaya taki kapos dari kapos accountant kawai kapos kojingsi watkum ka Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Masters in Commerce Accountancy, MBA Finance with 2 years of relevant experience of Bachelor's in Commerce Accountancy, BBA Finance with 3 to 4 years of relevant experience in state government. The preferential accountant preference shall be given to candidates who have excellent knowledge about accounting, regulation, and procedures, experience with PFMS, tally to maintain accounts in previous work, experience, sound knowledge of administrative procedures of the state government. Last day kadai sau baje janmet 7 baje sitang janmet ka arpusan tarik April ada pependap apply link baka Google Form bala ai so jeng batai ko ban apply pendap biang tahu ka single PDF file nang ta one use Gmail account only for filling up the Google form for registration ada Google Form tang siapa sa kapos ke balai po District Health Society National Health Mission Ribhoy District nang po kapos balai dari para medical ophthalmic assistance likely post nang po DH 1 post namsang CHC 1 post marga PHC 1 post jing siur kom ka NH norms 2 years diploma course in optometry or Bachelor of Science in Optometry. Familiarity with computer internet use, date of attendance 29 April, then practical interview 6th May. Last date of application kadai do san baje jong ka arpsan tarik April acara pesan. Happen for applications office of the district medical and health officer Ribhoy district arrangement DPMU room 2nd floor. For the written test will be held on 29th in a conference hall of the district medical and health officer Ribhoy district Nangpo at 12:30 p.m. And at the time registration will be from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. Then at the selected candidates for finish recall exam conducted on 6th May. Pagsan kam kabalay po. College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai Ribhoy District invites application from eligible and interested retired central government officers who retired from CAU or /ICAR or other government institutes for engagement as an OSD administrative finance and contract basis for a period of 179 days. Example need or rule date of work will is 28 April. This is available on the website cau.ac.in.